Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling. So this is Uniques week number 14. And if you've never been to our Uniques Day, what we do is we make something entirely unique and we sell it that one day, and then we don't sell it anymore. And that happens every Tuesday. So we're on week number 14, and this week, Mother's Day's coming up. And rather than doing something last minute, we made something that will be an awesome Mother's Day present, and not just for Mother's Day, but other things too, as I will tell you about them right now. Okay, so these are photo books, and so basically it's just we sew 36 plastic sleeves into a leather cover, and then we have 5 different thread colors. So if you get the rustic brown ones, they have black, sage, nutmeg, dark blue, and beige. So those are the colors for the in the rustic brown. And in the black, pretty much the same thing except for the white. So we have black, sage, nutmeg, dark blue, and white instead of beige, because black and white, it's a classic. So let me tell you about these books. So you open them up, and basically there's plastic sleeves in there. And so for your mom, think about it. What would your mom rather get? Some gift or something that you put your heart and soul into, and you slid all your photos in here. And she would cherish that forever. But the other thing, it's not just for that. There's also, we have these 4x6 cards, and we don't sell them anymore, but we have files for them. This one is for hunters. So you can catalog all the photos and have a little card here for what went on during the hunt for that one thing. But there's also recipe cards and that we have a file for, and we have a cigar log. So we can send those files to you, and you can print them out for this. Father's Day's coming too, but that's a couple months off. But Mother's Day is less than a month away, and this would be a great gift for her, or just to put your photos in, and that's it. Black or brown is for 4x6 photos or other kinds of cards, recipe or whatever, and 5 different thread colors for each leather color. And that's it. They're available today only for our Uniques week number 14. See you next week. Bye.